racing, the world is my stage. The curtain rises and you capture space. Statistics show it's time to engage, breaking free from the cage. Embrace the dawn with open eyes. Embrace the day with joyful sigh. With the sun with a grateful heart. A brand new day, oh what a sight. Rise and shine. Embrace the new daylight. Chase dreams that glow, burning bright. With hearts on fire, we'll aim for the high. Together we'll rise, defy the night, and take flight. When the stars come out, I'll keep shining without the doubt. Every moment I'll give my all. Like statistic, I'll measure it all. Embrace the dawn with open eyes. Embrace the day with joyful sight. With the sun with a grateful heart. A brand new day, oh what a sight. Rise and shine. Embrace the new daylight. Chase dreams that glow, burning bright. With hearts on fire, we'll aim for the high. Together we'll rise, defy the night, and take flight. Facing challenges, never be nervous. With statistics, we are champions. Ciphering numbers, discovering the essence, interpreting figures, finding the present.